Have you ever wondered how to share your location with friends or family using your iPhone? Today I'm going to tell you how to do it quickly and easily. And at the end, I will also give advice on how to use this feature in the most efficient way possible. So firstly, open up the settings and scroll down till you can see Privacy and Security tab. Here we are interested in location services because we need to turn that on if you want to share your location. Now find this section, click on Find My iPhone, and here turn on all of those features so the switches will be green. And now to share the location, find the Contacts app on your device. Find the person with whom you want to share your location. Scroll down on the panel and find option Share My Location. Here you can pick time frame so you can share your location forever until end of the day or for 1 hour. I'm gonna pick that option. And now we are sharing the location. To check this, we need to find app which is named Find My. Open it up, click on people on the bottom of the screen, and this is the person with whom you are sharing your location. If you click it, you will see that you are sharing your location, and here you can stop sharing it. And promise tip for you guys, here you can see notification section and you can notify this person when you leave specific location or reverse. And that's it. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.